Hello, this is Chapter 3, Lesson 1, and we're going to go over the tool menu bar in this section. First we're going to go over File. We've already been over New and Open. Create from Clipboard. Basically, when you have... I'll show you what this is. Basically, you take a section of a drawing and you go to crop by selection, and then you go to File, Create from Clipboard. Basically this just has a layer. That was a layer I clipped, and basically this makes a clipboard of that selection you made. And all you have to do is go Create from Clipboard. I'll do that slower. Basically you use the selection tool and you select an area of an image, and then you just edit, crop by selection, and then you'll go to create clipboard, and that creates a clipboard. We've already been over open recent, and we can go to save as. Basically that will just save your work, and then save as. We've been through this. We have export as. This will export it as one of these. We can go to export as JPEG or Photoshop or SCI. We can go SCI and it will save it as that document. You can also change the document according to what format you want it to be. You can save it as a Photoshop PSD, which is really cool. You can work in Photoshop formats. And then you can save it as a PNG, a JPEG, a BIMP, a TGA, and then image files. And that's all the format options you have. You can also save as, if you take this off, always view file viewer. Now you have these options opened. You can open file by file viewer, and that will open the files. Or you can go save by file viewer. And this is the file viewer, and you can do that. But if you have this clicked, then it will always bring that option up when you go to save as or export. But if you take this off, the file viewer won't show up. It'll just show up as this. And if you click it, go export as, it will bring the file viewer up. And then we also have close, and this will close the current canvas you were working on, and you just hit close. And if you do not save before you try closing, you can go, it's not saved. Would you like to save this file before closing? And you can either click yes or no. I'm going to click cancel, which will stop it from saving or exiting out. Now I'm going to clear the selection. And that's really all the file options. You can also exit from the file option. If you hit exit, this will close the SCI program. And then close just closes the actual canvas. Now edit, we've already been through undo, but we also have paste. I'll show you how to do that. If you just select an area, you can go to edit. You can either cut, copy, paste, crop by selection, which I showed you how to do. You can go to cut, and that will cut that layer, which I don't think I have anything on the layer. It will cut whatever's on that layer, and you can go edit and paste, and it will paste back that layer to a new layer. I'm just going to undo that, and then we can go to copy, which won't get rid of the item. It'll just copy it instead of cutting it and getting rid of it. And then you can also paste that so you have double whatever layer you just copied. You just undo that. And then you also have redo, undo, redo. Redo basically redos what you just undid. And that is it for edit. We also have change the canvas, so we have change resolution, change by size. We've already done that. We've already done the flip horizontally, vertically, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, and rotate 90 clockwise. But we also have this crop by selection. This crop by selection is different from the edit one. Basically, it will crop your canvas to whatever size you have selected. So you crop, and now this area has been cropped. And that is what crop by selection does in Canvas. And that is it for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.